Good afternoon, all of you. In every generation, in every generation in the nation, heroes and great heroes are arise. Like in this country where we are living now, heroes are arise. Many heroes are arise, and Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, ma'am. I have a question for Mr. Gutierrez. Who is Dr. Cesar?
The author of the national hero of the Philippines.
As Mr. Arvino said, Jose Rizal is our national hero. But why Jose Rizal? Why not Aguinaldo? Why not Bonifacio? There are many questions coming to our mind. Why Jose Rizal or Dr. Jose Protasio Mercado Rizal y Alonso Rialonda? Or simply Dr. Rizal is our national hero. All Filipinos during that time fought for our freedom. Like I said, Mr. Paglinawan Tartel or Islafi, Andres Bonifacio, and Emilio Aguinaldo, especially Dr. Cesar fought for our freedom. But Dr. Cesar is different from them. Dr. Cesar fought for our freedom using his pen, his papers, and his mind by making novels and poems against Spaniards and to show Filipino people and to open their minds that they can be leaders rather than slaves. Dr. Cesar said that why independence? The slaves today are the tyrants of tomorrow. Dr. Cesar wants us to study for us to be a leader. Dr. Cesar don't want to have a leader that just only know how to harvest rice and corn, but to be educated and to learn more about leadership. Dr. Cesar wants a leader or a good not just a good speaker but a good listener. And not just a good leader but a good follower. And Dr. Cesar once said that I died not seeing the daylight dawn in my own country. But you will the one who will see it, so welcome it. And don't forget the people who fell by the darkness. Dr. Cesar means that he will die for us to have our freedom, for us to have our independence, but not using our intelligence and education is the only key, or is one of the keys for our independence. Dr. Rizal is different from Aguinaldo and Bonifacio.